Hello lovelies, and welcome back to my channel. I have missed you so much, and I thought, why not do a vlog with you guys today? And I have been away since February, and the reason for that is I got a promotion in February at work, and it was totally unexpected. And it took some time for me to get adjusted to my new role. There has been a lot of PowerPoint presentations, getting adjusted to my team. It has also been an incredible experience, but one of my favorite things to do is to make videos, and I don't want to ignore that at all. One of my hobbies actually is gardening. So I'm sitting here at one of my favorite garden centers and I thought, okay, I'm gonna look for a couple plants today and I'm just gonna take you guys along. I wanted it to be kind of a chill video instead of the first video that I come back and upload would be an unboxing video or something like that. I'm sure I'll be doing that, the next videos going up, and also a couple reviews as well. So what's been going on with you guys? I've thoroughly missed you. Anyhow, I'm going to take you around the garden center and kind of show you some of the things that I'm liking, and I also want to add different kind of contents to my channel as well, because I don't just have one interest like in handbags and accessories and makeup. I have tons of different interests. I love doing sports, I love gardening. I want to share all of that with you guys. So anyway, grab a cup of tea or your favorite snack and let's get started on the video. I really like roses on stems. I think they're so beautiful. Look at this one. So pretty, right? I love that color. I'm also looking for an helix because I don't do well with boxwoods. And these are really pretty. I want one that does not get too big. And I thought that helix, I like the shape. I like that tight, compact looking shape. It's so pretty, and the leaves are also very glossy. And this one goes for $74. I'm gonna end up needing about 3 of these, but I'm gonna see what else they have. This place has the coolest Japanese maples I've ever seen. So pretty. Check this one out behind me. Actually, I should just go close to them and then just show them to you guys. They're so pretty. So here's the first one. Look at the leaves. Aren't those gorgeous? I love that. That is really pretty. And then here we have another one. And check this one out. So gorgeous. I just actually bought my first Japanese maple, and this one is also very pretty. I just love the leaves. The foliage on this is just amazing. I really like it that they always have places where you can sit, and I really like these verbenas. Aren't they gorgeous? I'm definitely going to be taking one of these home, and look at all the bees that are on it. Just gorgeous. On that side they have bamboos, and on this side all Japanese maples. Like, they have everything. This is the one I have with the red leaves, because I just think it looks just gorgeous in fall. I think this one got a little bit of sunburn because it's out more towards the front, but I absolutely love all types of Japanese maples. Just so pretty. And I like the fact that they're slow growing, so you can always like trim them up easily, and they just look really nice when they just bush out, like just so perfect. I love that. This one I really like, but I'm not sure where in my garden I would put it. Check the price tag on it though. It's like 475 euros basically. But isn't it gorgeous? Look at that. Look at the branches. Look at the architecture on this tree. Like, I just love that. Another thing I'm thinking about getting is I want something for like a rose to climb on, or one of my clematis to climb on, and I think that these are really good, and they're really stable as well. I was gonna buy one that I saw the other day. It was like for 29 euros, but I think these are so much better and so much more stable for 53, and they're made of these very heavy metals. So I'm just gonna turn you around and show you what they look like. Here they are. And I think that this would be perfect. Actually, you could even plant tomatoes that get very big inside of one of these, and then you don't have to stick them as well. I planted so many tomatoes this year. I told my husband if I ate one more tomato, I would become tomato ketchup, literally. But I like this black one. I just think that it looks so neat against my white brick wall. Oh my word, you guys, look at these pretty echinaceas. They're so cool. And what do we have here? Little spire. Huh, cute. Love. Oh my god, look at that. The bees are just going wild on the verbena. And I just love a nice topiary. So pretty. Oh, so beautiful. So guys, I am at my second garden center, and this one is in Mainz, and it's absolutely beautiful. It's called Gärtnerei Hans, and they have the most incredible flowers and trees and topiaries. I mean, I'm going to show you guys around. You're going to be amazed, and I'm hoping to find some pots here as well, because I love their huge pots, because I'm thinking about planting up a tree inside a pot. So I'll take you around and I'll show you a few of the things that I'm loving here. Check out these ginormous blooms. Like, look at this. On these limelights, aren't they spectacular? They're just really beautiful. And also my favorite, Japanese maples. So many of them. The one that I got, I also purchased here, and it was a red one. So pretty. And look at this hydrangea, isn't that pretty? Oh, just love the white delicate blooms. really like these little setups that you have, like, you know, an idea of what it would look like in your garden. And I think that this is really cute and also very inspirational. And I really love how they use the stones. Just looks really nice. I like that. Oh my goodness, you guys, check out these huge blooms. Wow, so pretty. I love this. Just take a look at these pots. They're so cool, and you can really plant up these. Like, this one really makes a statement. I love the shape of this one. That is amazing. I love that pot. That would be too big and too heavy for me to transport, but I think I'm in love. Look at all these topiaries. Oh my gosh. This one is really nice. I've never seen a topiary like this before. It's really done well, and it does exposes those branches very nicely, and that's what I want to see in a topiary. That looks amazing. Jetzt weiß ich, wie man das schneidet. So guys, I did end up purchasing that tree, and one of the gardeners were so nice. He trimmed it up nicely for me, and I actually filmed the video so I could actually learn how to trim it up. But I'm not gonna use a pair of scissors like he's using. I'm gonna use an electrical one, and hopefully I'm going to get better at shaping topiaries. And I just want to show you some more topiaries that they have here. This place is just heaven. Topiary heaven, trust me. So let me show you some more. Look around. I mean, check that out. Wow. Oh, it just reminds me of the gardens whenever I go to France. I could just sit and look at everything like forever. This is just stunning. I just love the foliage on this and the exposed tree barks. Oh, love that. They also have junipers, abavitas. So beautiful. I'm not sure if I should get like white or like yellow, because I have the white wall. I should get a pop of color in it by adding yellow echinacea, but I don't know. I'm so addicted to that white, but then white against a white wall is not gonna show up very well. Even though this delphinium has passed its peak and, you know, blossomed out, I was thinking to get it anyway, and next year it will just come back in its full glory. I have several of these in my garden as well, and I was also thinking about getting some grasses for some pots as well. There was a pot that I saw the last time, but like I said, I got carried away and my car was full and I couldn't carry it, and it's not here anymore. Obviously it's gone. It was just the perfect pot. Anyhow guys, check out this limelight. Oh, it's just beautiful. And those huge blooms as well, and their prices are also really good because I saw a limelight. I have about 7 hydrangeas in my garden, 7 different variations, and this huge one in this, I don't know how many gallons that is, what kind of pot, but for €29 it is a steal. It's a lot less expensive than the first garden center I was, but I'm telling you, this is a good price for such a huge tree. And I mean, like, it's really high. Yeah, so they have also several huge pots here. Like, I'm tall, so you must know how tall these are for me too. I think this is like about 1.40 meters or 150, something like that. That's how tall these are. Amazing. You guys, look at all these heucheras. I have so many in my garden and I'm thinking to get another one. I just love this. This is so cute. And on this side they have some pretty white foxgloves. I could spend a whole day just doing exactly this. And then they have some pretty unusual hydrangeas that I haven't seen before. And yeah, this one I haven't seen before, but it's really, really beautiful. I love that with the double flower on top. Oh my goodness, you guys, these are too cute. Look at them. The ballerina frogs. That is sweet. So guys, I hope you enjoyed this little vlog of me taking you to my favorite nurseries and, you know, showing you what I'm interested in when it comes to the garden. And I have unboxing videos coming up. Do not worry, I do have a Chanel and a Louis Vuitton unboxing to do right after this. I just wanted this vlog to be just a carefree touch base with you kind of a vlog. Don't forget to give this video a thumbs up. I love you for watching and I'll see you in the next video, lovelies. Bye for now.